Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel today. Welcome if you're new. Today I have some projects for Scrap Diva Designs. These are projects I made with the January release. And there's a mixture of like springy, Valentine's Day, and just generic projects today. So just different ways you could use your dies. I will link all the dies down below. I'll also have my referral link. If you place an order through that link, I do get a commission from this sale. So thank you guys so much to everybody who uses that. Doesn't cost anything extra. And of course that's at scrapdivadesigns.com. And don't forget to use my coupon code at checkout, which is strawberry cream, and that will save you 10% off your order. All right, so let's get started. The first die set I wanted to use was this one, and this is the flip top box. I'm so glad that some of the other design team members made some because I could see exactly how it was constructed. I was having a problem attaching the lid for some reason, but when I saw how it looked when it was done, I thought, oh yeah, of course, that's it. So thank you guys. And so yeah, it's really easy to come together. I just missed one step. So you get all of these dies, and as you can see, there are stitched layering pieces. It's really not hard to put together at all. Actually, it's pretty easy to put together. And it comes out so cute. It looks like a crayon box. It comes with different like accent pieces. This is a tag that has the outline of the word love. There's the word love there. And then you could add these layering pieces to the tag. They're stitched and scalloped for the outer one. The inner one is just stitched. I didn't use the inner one. And then this is a layering piece also. Just so many fun pieces and ways you could put this together. So I made mine into like a little Easter themed. If you watched my Friday haul video, you got a little preview of it. So this is the one that I made, and I just love it. I used some yellow AC cardstock to construct the box, and I do recommend using, a heavier weight cardstock to construct it, just to make it nice and strong. And then for the layering pieces, I used that new Easter paper pad from Joann's, and I just kind of fussy cut it with the layering pieces so you would see the little scene just in 3 panels there. And then this is a different paper with the butterflies. And then I also used another paper for the top and the back layering piece. And the back layering piece even has like a fold line right there, a score line, so it folds easily when you flip your box open. And then I did make the tag. I used some pink plaid paper, and I made the little love word too. I don't know why I didn't use that inner circle too. I don't know, I just didn't think of it, but that would look nice on the inside too. And then these little knit bows I just hauled from Temu, so I put the green one on top and then a little carrot cabochon on top of that. The colors weren't exactly right, so I used my acrylic markers to just kind of go over them in different colors that would match this paper pad that I used. And then when you open it up, it just opens like that, and it's got this layering piece inside that holds everything in, and I used that pink plaid paper again for that. And it just comes out really cute. Mine isn't really staying shut for some reason, but I was thinking I could use like a piece of removable tape on the back of this little tag here and just like, keep it closed that way. So I thought this would be a cute little spring packaging, All right, let's measure this. This one it's about 3 3/4 inches from top to bottom. Side to side, it is about 3 1/8. And then depth-wise, it is about 1 1/4. So a really cute size box. You could put ephemera in here, just little candies, goodies, whatever you want. So that's my first project. I think it came out so cute. Okay, the next one is this is the Ticket Mini album. Yeah, that's what it's called. So this is great because the outer piece here, and it's a nice big size too, you can add the closure or the binding either on the long side or the short side, because there are glue tabs on both sides. And whichever one you don't want to use, you could just cut off along the score line. So I made my ticket like this. So I used this as I made mine into a card. So I used that as the binding of the project. And then I just cut off the glue tab on this side. And then it comes with layering pieces, of course. This is a layering piece that just goes right on top like that. And then this piece here cuts out a frame of the ticket. So if you want to make it into a shaker like I did, you use this for the pattern paper and for your foam board, whatever you use to make your shaker. And then it comes with the words admit one, and it comes in 2 different fonts. It comes with the one that's connected at the bottom, and then ones that are separate letters. I was lazy, so I used the ones that are connected at the bottom. It comes with 2 little heart dies, and then this really cute font. It says Kissing Booth, and I did use those. So I made mine into a card that I plan to give to my husband for Valentine's Day. And this is what it looks like, and I just love it. I used, for this, for the acetate piece for the shaker, I used, remember that paper pad that came out from Michael's last year that had like the acetate vinyl kind of paper? That's what that is. And it was hard to cut out with the die, so the die just kind of left an impression of it, and then I went ahead and cut out the rest with my scissors, so it was okay. And so I filled it up with some different shaker bits those are from Michael's as well that I just got recently. There's like little hearts and lips and cute little candy hearts, and let's see, and I added some diamond dots as well. There's some sequins in there, and it just sounds really nice, and my husband always likes when I make shaker cards for him. There's the word Kissing Booth. I love that script font. I just used some gold glitter paper. I forgot, for the dots over the eye, I used some gold stickles, so I don't think it's dry yet, so I've got to be careful of that. And then these are the hearts I cut out with the die, and the words admit one I cut out with that pink glitter foam that I just hauled recently from Hobby Lobby. And before I ran it through my die cutting machine, I added a sticker, a piece of sticker backing from scrapbook.com to the back of it, so when I die cut it, it was sticky on the back. If you have self-adhesive foam, that would be great, but this is just regular foam, so that's what I did. And I made a little border myself here for Kissing Booth. My plan was to just put the words right onto the acetate, but because my acetate is printed, it kind of got lost there, so I made this little background for it. So I just cut that rectangle and added a border die that I had in my stash. So I think it came out really, really cute, and it opens like this, and I did use a layering piece again of different paper, and then this was a cut apart from a set, or like a Valentine set I got on Etsy last year. It says, "You are the perfect one for me," and that kind of reminds me of our cat Gus. So let's take a measurement of this. Of course, you can make this into a mini album. I saw one of the design team members, I forget who it was, they made a cover for an embellishment box. It looked so cute. Okay, I think it was Michelle actually. Okay, this is about 6 1/8 across, and then top to bottom is just about 4 inches. So isn't that cute? I love it. And of course I glued the little lips on from the clay mixture I got from Michael's, and I think it just looks really nice. So that's my second project. And the last one I wanted to show you, I made a bunch of the sentiments. These are the Valentine words number 4. So I love this font with the big swirlies for the first letter. So there's hugs, love, party, be mine, and thanks. And of course, most of these you can use for other times of year. It doesn't have to be Valentine's Day. So I made the word party, and I cut out the word twice with white and this aqua paper, and just kind of offset them a little and put them on this floral background paper. I did that just to add a little bit more weight to the word itself, because the background paper is a little busy. And then I glued on some more hearts that matched, some clay hearts. Let me just measure this one for you. This one is about 2 5/8 by 1 3/4 about. And then I made 2 more with that same paper combination, the words love and hugs. Cute, right? Love that big swirl. And then I made the other 3 in a different combination. This one I used some white glitter paper, and this is one of the ones that I just got from Park Lane, that white or pearl different metals paper pack, and this is the brushed metal, so it just looks like glitter paper to me, so I like it. And added some more hearts, of course. There's thanks. and then we have mine, and of course to go with that we have be. So I think this would be great for Valentine's Day. Of course, be mine. But the other ones you could use at any time of the year. Love and thanks and party and hugs. So definitely a great set to have in your stash. And those would be great to add to your little box to gift to one of your crafty friends. All right, you guys, so that's it for today. Again, everything will be linked down below, including my referral link and my coupon code. Thank you so much for watching. I know that some of the design team members have gotten the February release. Mine is on the way. It'll probably be here on Monday, so I'll be back soon to share that with you. But I still have some January projects I want to show you, and yeah, I hope you like them. So thanks again for watching. Have a great day, and I'll be back soon. Take care, everyone. Bye.